the old adage, a hard head makes a soft behind? Well, we want baby's behind to be the only soft behind around these parts. Today, you're going to learn from my rookie cloth diapering mistakes. Hey, I'm Jamie, the creator of ClothCuties.com, a site designed to encourage you to cloth diaper your baby. From an infant through the toddler years, I've got the tips and tricks you need to simplify your cloth diapering experience. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and hey to all my new subscribers. What's up, guys? I'm so glad you guys popped in today. I don't know about y'all, but my mom and dad were the king and queen of old adages. Like, don't make a mountain out of a molehill. If you want friends, you have to first show yourself friendly. And a hard head makes a soft behind. My mom and dad said all these little things to me, and they have stuck with me over the years. But what they did not teach me is how to avoid some rookie cloth diapering mistakes. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. I'm going to give you 2 things that I did that I think in hindsight were probably mistakes that you can avoid. We're going to keep this video quick and dirty, so let's get into it. The first thing that I did that now in hindsight I think was a rookie mistake was to purchase an entire stash of diapers before my baby got here. Yes, my son arrived, and I'm really a planner, and I'm sure a lot of you moms are too. These kind of type A, gotta have everything ready for the baby, especially the first baby type personalities. And when I was planning for my son's arrival, I pretty much bought all the diapers, or planned to have all the diapers that I thought that I needed for his stash. And really what that did is I did give myself kind of 2 main choices of diapers, and I added to the stash over time. But the bulk of my stash kind of fell in 3 categories. I had all-in-ones, pockets, and fitteds. And while I did give myself a little bit of variety, the pockets and the all-in-ones were from the same company. Since they were made by the same company, they had like the same leaks, the same elastic wearing problems, the little things that annoyed me about these styles of diaper that probably could have been fixed if I had given myself room to experiment. The mistake of obtaining my whole stash of diapers before my son got here was that I didn't really have much wiggle room when it came to filling out, all right, do I like this style of diaper? Is it working for him? Is he a heavy wetter? And what do I need to do differently? Instead, I was fully committed to these 3 styles of diaper and really 2 brands of diaper, and I did not feel like I wanted to buy more diapers at the time. Slowly, little by little, I purchased more diapers. Like when I ran into nighttime hiccups, I bought some wool diapers because I heard that that might be a solution. And my best friend gave me about a dozen of a different type of brand of diaper, and that really actually helped. They were pocket diapers, but just that variety and brand meant a whole lot. If I could avoid it, you know, if the planner could let go, I would probably try not to buy my whole stash. Instead, I would give myself a sampling and see what I really like, maybe what I don't like that I could improve upon with another brand, and really allow my stash to grow organically rather than being like super woman, super prepared for my baby before he arrived. Does that make sense? The second thing that I feel like was a rookie mistake that I would caution you and hope you would avoid is giving up on nighttime diapers. And this happened with my daughter, so my second baby. We gave up on nighttime because she was not sleeping through the night and I was tired. Only way I seemed to get more rest came at the expense of using disposable pull-ups that we had for my toddler son who was potty training at the time. And rotating those into her stash. You know that. You've seen more about that in this video that I'll link up here. In going through that process, I wish that I had not given up. Like, if I could just reverse the clock a little bit, I would try not to give up on nighttime, because now there are so many other diapers, so many other things that maybe I could have tried. I know more now. But you know, when you have a little baby, an infant, like, you're tired, your brain is foggy, and sometimes you just want more sleep. So you gotta take the win however you can get it. That being said, I do wish that I would have tried and pushed a little harder with that challenge in mind. in sharing this with you, I'm thinking about how I would have remedied the nighttime thing. Definitely, I would have tried different brands of diapers that might have been better suited for nighttime. What I did is I went with what I knew. So with my daughter's stash, when I was being gifted diapers, I basically requested the same exact diapers that I had for my son. I actually don't know why I did that, because that was my opportunity and my time to get different diapers that might have worked better. But again, going back to the first one, I guess I just had gotten comfortable with that brand, even though it wasn't probably the best, but I had gotten comfortable with it. And so I thought it would be the better option for my daughter too. Instead of trying a new brand to see if there were differences that I could benefit from, I just bought girl colors in the same brand of diapers. The tweak I would make would be to try other brands at nighttime and figure out a solution. And if it still didn't work, not feel bad about using disposables. I didn't feel bad about using disposables at the time. I just felt like I gave up a little bit too easy. But yes, that is how I would solve that little quandary, would just be to try some other things until I got to a good fit for us at nighttime. Because I do know it's possible. Knowing what I know now, maybe I would have tried like stretchy flats along the way. Because I understand now that those are really good and high absorbency for nighttime. Or just other little things, you know, just things that you think about in hindsight, being 2020, that you might have tried along the way. But those are my 2 rookie mistakes. Purchasing my entire stash before my baby even arrived and giving up on nighttime. Don't do those things, people. In all seriousness, I do think that those 2 things are kind of avoidable. And if you kind of take your time, allow yourself to transition with a new baby into cloth diapering together. You've already heard me say that I don't think there's any harm or foul in using disposables up front, but use those free disposables that they give you at the hospital and kind of try to start figuring out what will work. How does your baby eliminate, and work with how that baby operates, because every little baby is different, and you got to give yourself some grace to learn this new baby and grace to learn how to cloth diaper too. Now that you've watched this quick video, tell me what your thoughts are. What rookie mistakes did you make? Drop them in the comments below, and another mom can benefit from your mistakes. You know, sharing is caring. That's all I have for you today. I hope that it's encouraging. As always, make sure you head over to clothcuties.com, and where there's more content to help you simplify your cloth diapering experience. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that little button right there. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.